What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps here on your Windows laptop. Let's say you do have a Windows 11 or even a Windows 10. The process is exactly the same. Now if you find my content useful, do not forget to subscribe at the end of the video, as it really helps me out reaching to more people and consequently helping more people as well. Now the very first thing we're going to hop into start real quick. Here we go. Next up, we're going to search for Control Panel by simply tapping CO, and here we go. We do have Control Panel right here. Simply hop into Control Panel real quick, and then next up we're gonna tap in here on Uninstall a Program right beneath Programs in here. So tap on Uninstall a Program, and the next thing you want to do is simply select the program, for example this one, and then let me select this one for example, because this one is an inbuilt one. It doesn't allow me to actually uninstall it. So once I select this one, you do have an option in here or a button which says uninstall this program. Simply tap on it and then you're good to go. The installation wizard will start immediately and you'll be able to uninstall any app quickly in order to free up a lot of space and make your laptop run much faster. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.